What if I told you that the people you think are rich are usually not? And the people who are actually wealthy, you probably walk past them every single day without noticing. In 2026, wealth doesn't scream anymore. It whispers. The loudest lifestyles are often funded by debt, while the quietest lives are powered by equity, cash flow, and compounding capital. The fastest-growing group of millionaires globally prefers no logos, no attention, no validation. So why did showing off suddenly become risky? Why are high-net-worth individuals going invisible? And why will mastering stealth wealth quietly put you ahead of 99% of people by the end of this decade? Stay till the end, because the final shift I'll share is the one most people never emotionally recover from, but the ones who do change their financial destiny permanently. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's get started. Number 1. In 2026, attention is a liability, not an asset. There was a time when attention meant power. Today, attention means exposure, and exposure comes with cost. In a world dominated by social media algorithms, public financial visibility creates silent pressure. The moment people know how much you earn, what you drive, or where you travel, expectations lock in. Lifestyle inflation doesn't begin with income. It begins with audience awareness. Most people don't realize this, but stealth wealth isn't about hiding money. It's about protecting optionality. When no one knows your financial position, you retain freedom of movement. You can invest patiently. You can make long-term decisions without social interference. You can shift careers, markets, or asset classes without explanation. A relatable question many people struggle with is, if I don't show my success, how will people respect me? The truth is brutal but liberating. People who require proof were never going to respect you anyway. As Morgan Housel wrote in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. And what most people miss is that unseen wealth compounds faster because it isn't constantly being converted into consumption. Number 2. Flex culture is optimized for algorithms, not financial freedom. Luxury today is marketed aggressively because it feeds dopamine loops. Platforms reward spectacle, not sustainability. But algorithms don't care about your retirement portfolio. They don't care about your emergency fund. They don't care if your lifestyle collapses during a market correction. Stealth wealth thinkers understand that flex culture extracts future freedom in exchange for present validation. The psychological trick here is delayed gratification, but not the boring kind people talk about. This is strategic delay. You delay consumption to accelerate ownership. You delay applause to increase leverage. In 2026, the smartest investors are allocating capital into defensive stocks, dividend income streams, tax-efficient ETFs, and diversified asset allocation models, not depreciating status symbols. They are optimizing for cash flow resilience, not social proof. Number 3. Economic volatility made quiet money, smarter money. Market volatility has changed the rules of visibility. Between inflation cycles, layoffs, AI disruption, and global uncertainty, public wealth signals now attract risk. People with visible lifestyles often become trapped by fixed expenses. When income fluctuates, their freedom collapses. Stealth wealth builders structure their lives differently. They build low burn rates and high investment flexibility. The mistake most people make is assuming high income equals high security. It doesn't. Security comes from diversified income streams, dividend stocks, passive income from ETFs, business equity, rental cash flow, and liquid reserves. Ask yourself this: if my income paused for 6 months, would my lifestyle survive? Stealth wealth builders can confidently say yes, because their lifestyle is powered by systems, not salaries. Intentional spending matters more than visible spending. Stealth wealth allows you to spend meaningfully, not performatively. Number 4. Stealth wealth protects your identity from lifestyle traps. When your identity becomes tied to your lifestyle, you lose negotiating power with employers, clients, and even yourself. People who live loudly often can't downshift without emotional pain. Stealth wealth builders never face this problem because their identity is anchored in ownership, not consumption. Stealth wealth flips this. It keeps identity fluid. You can take smarter risks. You can walk away from bad deals. You can wait for asymmetric opportunities, like market dips, undervalued equities, or long-term index fund accumulation. In Essentialism, Greg McKeown explains that success isn't about doing more, it's about removing what doesn't matter. Stealth wealth removes unnecessary financial theater. By not upgrading everything at once, you compound margin, and margin is what allows wealth to grow without stress. Next is the shift most people don't see until it's too late: the difference between looking rich and being investable. Number 5. Stealth wealth makes you investable, not just impressive. Here's something rarely discussed. Real wealth attracts opportunities quietly. People who signal restraint, long-term thinking, and capital discipline are trusted with better deals. Private investments, equity partnerships, early-stage opportunities, and insider access flow toward people who don't look desperate for validation. The mistake people make is thinking wealth opens doors because of appearances. In reality, it opens doors because of credibility and consistency. A person driving a modest car with a strong balance sheet is far more investable than someone flexing liabilities. This is especially true in private equity, angel investing, and business partnerships. A powerful question to ask yourself is, if someone evaluated my life like a portfolio, would it look stable? Stealth wealth communicates maturity. It signals that you understand cash flow, risk management, and delayed rewards. That's why high net worth circles prefer understatement. Number 6. Quiet wealth creates psychological freedom. Most people never experience. One of the most underestimated benefits of stealth wealth is emotional peace. No pressure to impress, no anxiety about keeping up, no stress about being exposed. This psychological safety creates clarity, and clarity improves financial decision-making. Most people don't realize that stress destroys returns. Emotional investing, panic selling, lifestyle fear. These erode compounding more than bad markets ever will. Stealth wealth allows you to think long-term. You can hold quality stocks during volatility. You can dollar-cost average into index funds without panic. You can build a retirement portfolio that isn't emotionally fragile. A common question people ask is, how do I stay motivated if no one sees my progress? The answer is simple. You shift motivation from applause to autonomy. Meaningful progress happens in quiet concentration. Stealth wealth is deep work applied to life. Number 7. Stealth wealth gives you negotiation power. Most people never realize they lost. One of the most invisible advantages of stealth wealth is leverage. Real leverage. The kind that doesn't show up on Instagram but completely changes how people treat you in real life. When your lifestyle is modest relative to your income and net worth, you gain the rare ability to say no without fear. No to bad jobs, no to toxic clients, no to unfair deals, no to rushed. Decisions most people think negotiation power comes from confidence or charisma. In reality, it comes from not needing the outcome. The biggest mistake people make is building a lifestyle that depends on continuous income. That dependence silently removes their bargaining power. They accept lower pay, worse terms, and higher stress because walking away feels impossible. Stealth wealth reverses this equation. When your expenses are low and your investment portfolio, stocks, ETFs, dividend income, and cash reserves covers your needs, every negotiation shifts in your favor. By the time people realize what happened, you've already moved ahead, not by chasing opportunities, but by letting opportunities chase you. Number 8. Stealth wealth turns time into an asset, not an enemy. For most people, time feels expensive. Every hour must be monetized, justified, or displayed. But stealth wealth flips this relationship. Time becomes something you own, not something you sell. The mistake people make is optimizing their life for visible productivity instead of long-term value. They stay busy, not wealthy. Loud lifestyles require constant maintenance, more income, more upgrades, more explanations. Stealth wealth dramatically lowers the cost of time. When your financial structure is simple and asset-backed, you don't rush decisions. You can think, you can wait. You can let compounding do its quiet work. A powerful question to reflect on is, do I choose my schedule or does my lifestyle choose it for me? Stealth wealth builders intentionally design days that protect deep thinking, learning, and long-term investing. That's why they spot opportunities others miss: market corrections, undervalued stocks, long-term index accumulation windows, or business equity plays that require patience. By 2026, the flex is no longer loud spending. The flex is calm mornings. The flex is optional work. The flex is owning assets that pay you while you sleep. The flex is walking away without explanation. Stealth wealth isn't hiding. It's strategic invisibility. It's choosing equity over applause, cash flow over compliments, financial freedom over financial theater. Comment "My time starts now" if you're rising, quietly but powerfully. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.